What is up, everybody? I hope you are all doing fantastically today, and I hope that you're excited to learn how you can save thousands of dollars on your vehicle by just doing a few simple steps and maybe spending a small amount of money. In this video, I'm going to be talking about two different things. One of them is an alternative to the other if you can't do the first, that will help you to protect your car's value and protect your vehicle in general throughout the duration of its lifetime, so that when the time comes you have to sell it, you're able to make the maximum amount of money saved off of your vehicle. So let's get into it. But before we do, go ahead and go down there, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you always get notified when I come out with a new video. I'm an aspiring young car enthusiast, and I have a commitment to making quality videos and making better videos every time I upload. So make sure you guys do that so you can get into the loop and start seeing more of my content. So starting off today's video, basically the most important thing that you can do to preserve your car's value and save thousands of dollars in the long run is by keeping it in the garage. Now I know that doesn't sound like very much. If you're like, well, what do you mean? People do that all the time. Well, let's take a second and compare the vehicles of those that are kept in garages with those that are kept not in garages. The sun makes UV rays, right? That's what causes us to get sunburned. That's how people's skin can get sun damage, because of those UV rays. Well, let me tell you, UV rays are really bad for cars as well. The paint on a car, if exposed to UV rays a lot over a long period of time, that's what causes paint to become cloudy and dull and gross looking on older cars. That's the reason why they don't look the best all the time, because they've been out in the sun. The sun's been able to damage them and make them look not as nice. That's how my truck, which is a 2001 vehicle, almost 20 years old, still looks like it has very, very new paint. It's never been repainted, nothing like that, but because it's been kept in a garage for the majority of its life, it has retained its quality paint job. And if you don't have a garage, that's okay. You can get a car cover. That's what I have right now, because I can't keep my truck in my garage. I keep it under a car cover. So if for some reason your husband or your wife or your parents, guardians, whoever, doesn't want you to keep a vehicle in the garage, maybe there's another vehicle in there, maybe there's other stuff that's being kept there, you can get a car cover and it'll do the majority of what a garage will do. Now there are a couple advantages of a garage, and I'll go over those in a second. But a car cover can do a lot of really awesome things, including keeping the UV rays off of your car. It can also make it so that if you get a waterproof one, it can make it so that the elements don't touch your car at all. That's also another advantage of keeping it in the garage. It keeps it out of the rain, the snow, and the hail. Car covers won't protect your vehicle from hail, but keeping it in the garage will, and hail can do a lot of damage, and sometimes it can be really unexpected, come out of complete nowhere at a time that you would not be prepared for. But if your vehicle's in the garage, everything will be fine. However, if it's outside, not so good. Other thing that keeping your vehicle in a garage, or even under a cover to some extent, is it protects your vehicle from people on the street. Now you're probably thinking, oh well, I live in a place where stuff like that just doesn't happen. It's always best to play it safe, be cautious. You never know what somebody walking down the sidewalk or through the neighborhood or anywhere you put your vehicle is going to think. Best to be cautious, best to be prepared, in my opinion. Oh, my dog has come to say hi. Say hi, Socks. Hello. Hello, buddy. Oh, city dog. And guys, putting a vehicle into a garage or under a cover isn't something that takes a whole lot of effort. If your garage is already relatively cleaned out, put your car in there. That should be relatively obvious. If you've got a bunch of stuff that you could put somewhere else, clean it out, put your car in there. Or if you don't want to do that, go out and get a car cover. And it literally takes no more than 5 minutes. 5 minutes per day of putting your cover on, and then it takes about 2.5 minutes probably to take off, I would say. 7.5 minutes per day that will, in the long run, save you thousands of dollars when you decide to go sell your car. I mean, think about it, guys. If you're looking at two cars on a used car lot or listing or Craigslist or whatever, it doesn't really matter where you're selling it. The vehicle that has a nicer paint is going to be the vehicle that you're willing to spend more money on. It's going to look more attractive to potential buyers. Everything is going to be better about that car. You're going to be able to profit more from that car. You're going to be able to profit more easily from that car because it has good paint. Or in this applies to trucks and other vehicles, of course, as well. I mean, seriously, cars that are the same year, same make, same model, relatively similar mileage, relatively similar color, relatively similar trim, the one that has a better paint is going to be worth dramatically more money in most cases. I'm not an expert on car sales, I'm not an expert on these sort of things. However, I can tell you that cars that have good paint generally keep their value much more, and they look like they've been treated much better, and they look much nicer. And if you have a car that has nice paint, you're going to be happier as the owner of it as well. You have this nice looking vehicle that you're happy to drive around and you're proud of. Now, I'm not saying that if your car doesn't have good paint that you shouldn't be proud of it. I mean, love your vehicle for what it is and enjoy it in every way that you can. But generally speaking though, it's nice to have a car that looks nice. And if you keep your things nice, then they're gonna serve you better and you're gonna enjoy them more. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please go ahead, drop a like, and subscribe to my channel. Remember to hit that notification bell and share this video with all your friends so that they can learn how to save thousands of dollars on their vehicle as well. I hope you guys found this video informative. If you have any feedback, commentary for me, please go down to the comment section and let me know. And yeah, that'll be it, guys. Peace out.